So we are here at the Villa Ali Algang. We are making a video for a client right now. So we've got a really good thing going right now. These are not our usual digs. We are in this great villa. It's like $500 a night usually. We're here working. We're gonna shoot a little video for promotional use for the owner. We get to stay here for free, which is awesome. Enjoy the great pool and everything. It's really strange to be in a house like this, but still doing our budget travel thing. So for example, the staff all came up here. What are we cooking you for dinner? What about breakfast tomorrow? You can order meals through the kitchen downstairs. We're not doing that. I have no idea what that costs. Instead, we are still running to the store, buying our $1 bag of rice. We're gonna cook that. We're gonna cook chicken, both from the local store. Enjoying pool drinks. These are our duty-free gin pool drinks. So we're making a video right now. This place is so crazy that it has a walk-in closet. That is nicer than most of the places we've stayed. And then leaving the bedroom, you just come out here, and if you want to feel like a king, you just take in this view. That is an infinity pool.
While Tim was busy trying to get perfect golden hour drone shots, I was finally able to finish editing the tripped trailer that would launch this entire series in May 2016.
Whoa, it looks so much bigger than the little Adobe preview. You ready?
We took advantage of having a TV to watch it through for the first time.
It's even bigger. Okay.
It's real.
Here it comes.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has now turned on the fasten seatbelt signs. Please now return to your seat and ensure your seatbelt is firmly fastened. Remind yourself of your nearest exit, remembering that it may be behind you. 2, 1.
We literally just finished traveling around the world.
Woo! Okay, now
good. There it's good. Okay, now what?
Red snapper, hot nail! Nailed the squatty potty.
I'd say we're a little burnt out. Didn't sleep too much. Soaked up the culture. Well, it's gone from comically bad to now it's pretty much miserable.
This is the happiest I've ever been to find a McDonald's. We're not starting right now.
Okay. Basically, we're getting drunk and riding carnival rides in the shadow of a Nazi monument. So at the very end of the movie, you're like, dude, just sprint up the mountain already. Just have this be done with. I get it. Okay.
We made it!
It's been a long journey, my friend. It's been a long journey.
You come from America.
What's going on?
Hi, Richie. Oh, thank you. Now all four of us are in the backseat of this van. The 4-hour drive begins now.
Now are we backpackers? I don't want to be a backpacker.
3 hours into the journey. Can you tell where I am? I've staged the shot of these peanut bags and my parents. This is
This is the stuff that's incredible about travel. It's cool what a flight can do. So in a stunning change of plans, I ended up getting a job back home and I need to be home earlier than we thought. So today we have to redo my plane ticket. And I'm going home about a week and a half early. Nothing huge, but this means that we don't get to do Japan together. And Finney's gonna be in Bali by herself for a little while.
He's filming because I'm crying.
Best time to film.
It was just sad. I just realized it's just the end. It's sad.
It's a little sad. It's been 10 months.
I know, but now it's over.
It's not over, it's just over for a little while.
I know, but now we don't get to finish together either.
I cannot describe a more bittersweet feeling than packing up to go home. Then I'm home, then it's one thing. And Monday's gonna be here and
What day is it now?
it's Thursday. And yeah.
And you're working on Monday.
I'm working on Monday. That's landing in Chicago. It's Bangkok, Tokyo, Chicago, up to Wisconsin, get all my stuff, drive down to Indy, be ready for work Monday.
But you helped yourself out and got a haircut today.
I got a sweet haircut.
Sweet Balinese haircut.
That's it. I had pants on for the first time in like...
And socks and shoes. What is that like?
It's weird.
What did you travel around the world with? Show us all your stuff.
I had this drone bag.
The drone bag?
It made it, barely.
Hardly.
Resewn by a Polish mom and by a dude in Vietnam. But it made it, and that's all that matters. We've got the Osprey bag that looks brand freaking new. It is just bulletproof and indestructible. And then I have my bag that we shouted at the guy in Istanbul and got better pricing on.
3 black bags.
That's it. That's all you need. This is even more than you need. If you don't have a drone, you need less. And the car is
The
here.
thumbs up so the car is here. Say hi!
I'll be up there in 1 second. Yeah, thanks. All right. Come here.
Oh my god, you're gonna cry.
I'm not gonna cry. Stop. I'm not gonna cry.
Here, we'll do like a fake like goodbye for the camera and then we'll turn this off.
Okay, bye.
Timmy just left. I'm so sad. It's weird like how emotional it is with him leaving early. This whole time traveling, you never saw the end. Like, we never had an end date. We had like money saved and we were just like, let's see how long we can travel for. And these past 2 months in Bali have really been like a reflection, looking back on the whole trip. So we started editing Tripped and putting those out. So like tonight I'm posting episode 3. So who even knows like what episode this will go in. I don't know, talking to the camera now alone in this apartment with Tim just leaving, like it's weird because now like 1,000 people watch the trailer on YouTube and like our friends are commenting like, oh, it looks so cool what you're doing in Germany and all this stuff. It's like, oh, people are actually watching it. It's crazy that like it's over today. You just don't know what the end is gonna look like. If you haven't seen it yet in this episode, we fly first class home, so Tim will be just fine and I will be just fine, but I also, we'll never know what it would have felt like to finish together. This is so weird, I'm like realizing all this as I say it, but I mean, we don't have a home. We are each other's home. And that has always been how it has been this whole trip. Okay, I feel better. Let me see if this is still recording. All right, gonna go edit. I'm feeling better. Have a safe flight, Timmy, I miss you.